ओके, सो व्हाट इज समथिंग दैट वी डू फॉर अ पर्पस? क्या है ऐसा जो हम लोग पर्पस के लिए करते हैं? लाइक ओके, वी यूज वॉच इन आवर हाउसेस. We use watch in our houses. Why? So that we may see the. We use an alarm in our house. We use an alarm in our house. Do you know why? So that we may get up according to our schedule. So that we may get up according to our schedule. Okay, why do we use a fridge in our houses? So that we may cool the things. So that we may, or so that we may keep the things fresh. So that we may keep the things fresh हो गया. लाइक जैसे कि हर चीज़ हम लोग किसी न किसी किसके लिए करते हैं? पर्पस के लिए. लाइक why do we find a job? Why do we find a job? So that we may earn money. So that we may earn money. Okay, why do we learn English? So that we may speak fluent English. So that we may get a job easily. So that we may get a job easily. So that we may go for higher study. So that we may go for higher study हो गया. लाइक जैसे कि so that we may go to abroad. So that we may go to abroad हो गया. लाइक जैसे कि ताकि हम लोग कहाँ जा सकें? अब्रॉड जा सकें. सो दैट वी मे रीड नॉवेल्स. सो दैट वी मे रीड नॉवेल्स हो गया. लाइक जैसे कि ताकि हम लोग क्या पढ़ सकें? नॉवेल्स पढ़ सकें. सो एवरीथिंग वी डू फॉर अ पर्पस बिकॉज वी आर ह्यूमंस एंड ह्यूमंस डू ईच एंड एवरीथिंग फॉर अ पर्पस. हम लोग हर चीज़ जो है वो किसी न किसी पर्पस के लिए ही करते हैं. जैसे वाई डू वी यूज अ नेल कटर? वाई डू वी यूज अ नेल कटर? सो दैट वी मे cut the nails हो गया. लाइक ओके, why do we read books? Why do we read so many books? So that we may get knowledge or more knowledge. Like why do we use a pen? Why do we use a, हम लोग एक पेन यूज क्यों करते हैं? So that we may write something. Why do we eat citrus fruits? So that we may get vitamin C. So that we may get vitamin C. Okay, why do we use? Why do we eat spinach?
So that we may get iron.
So that we may get iron. And why do we drink water?
So that we may.
So that we may quench our thirst. Why do we use ATM? So that we may withdraw money. Why do we use sunglasses? So that we may protect our eyes from sunlight. ताकि हम लोग जो है वो अपनी आईज को किससे बचा सके? सनलाइट के लिए. Why do we carry a wallet? Why do we carry a wallet? So that we may keep money. Why do we wear jewelry? Why do we wear jewelry? So that we may look attractive, beautiful हो गया. लाइक जैसे why do you come here? Why do you come here? So that you may learn English, or so that you may learn to speak English. Okay, why do we wear spectacles? So that we may see clearly. So that we may see clearly. Or so that we may get a clear vision. So that we may get a clear vision. Okay, why do we use a binoculars? Binoculars, दूरबीन को बोलते हैं हम लोग. So that we may see the distant objects. So that we may see the distant object, ताकि हम लोग दूर की चीज़ों को देख सकें. Okay, why do we use a telescope? So that we may see into the space. So that we may, or so that we may get a closer view of stars. So that we may get a closer view of स्टार्स हो गया लाइक दिस. जैसे व्हाई डू वी यूज व्हीकल्स? व्हाई डू वी यूज व्हीकल्स? So that we may save our time. So that we may save our time in what? In traveling. So that we may save our time in traveling. ताकि हम लोग traveling में अपना time क्या कर सकें? बचा सकें. हो गया लाइक जैसे why lots of people go to abroad? Why lots of people go abroad? So that they may get better jobs. So that they may get better jobs. So that they may earn more money. So that they may earn. Why do I use this whiteboard marker? So that I may write on the whiteboard. ताकि मैं किस पर लिख सकूं? Okay, why do we use a mirror in our houses? So that we may see ourselves. So that we may, ताकि हम अपने आप को उसमें देख सके, बोल सकता हूँ. And why do we take medicines? Why do we take medicines? So that we may protect ourselves from diseases. So that we may protect ourselves from diseases. Yes, so that we may prevent diseases. So that we may prevent diseases. Why does a doctor use stethoscope? एक डॉक्टर जो है वो स्टेथोस्कोप क्यों यूज करता है? Why? So that he may check the heartbeat. हो गया लाइक जैसे कि क्या कर सके वो हार्ट बीट को चेक कर सके. Okay, why do we study science? So that we may become a doctor and engineer. और किस लिए पढ़ते हैं हम लोग साइंस? Is there any other reason? So that, listen, okay? So that we may understand the things and processes clearly. So that we may understand the things and processes clearly. Like whatever is happening in our surrounding. To understand this in a better way, we study science. क्या करते हैं हम लोग? साइंस को पढ़